Okay, welcome students in the next lecture. Next reaction is double displacement reaction. What was the definition? The reaction in which compound exchanges their ions to form new compounds is called double displacement reaction. Now we'll see the examples of double displacement reactions. So these are the examples here, like when sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride, it gives white PPT of barium sulfate and 2 NaCl. We have learned a new term, that is a precipitate. We'll see again later in the next classes. What I'm saying is when lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide, it gives a yellow PPT of lead iodide and we have a aqueous solution of KNO3. If I see here, that's a kind of neutralization reaction, but it may be called double displacement because here NaOH plus HCl, Na have exchanged their ions, like they have exchanged their ions, cation and anions. So that is a double displacement reaction. If aluminum hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acids, it gives aluminum sulfate and water. We have balance over here. So although these two are maybe the example of neutralization reaction, but it may be called double displacement reaction. So what I'm saying ki what part is clear to you? Fourth part is clear. Okay, so we'll move. So our next topic is redox reactions. What is the redox reaction? The reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. RED form taken from reduction, OX form oxidation. So it may be also called oxidation reduction reaction. But I am again repeating the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. But we don't have any idea about the oxidation reduction. We don't have any idea about the oxidation and reduction. So what I am saying, addition of oxygen, or if oxygen is not there, so addition of non-metal will also be called oxidation, or removal of hydrogen if hydrogen is not present. If any metal is removing, then it may be called oxidation. Or I'll say if it is reduction, क्या होगा? Opposite of oxidation, addition of hydrogen if hydrogen is not there, so addition of metal, or removal of oxygen, or if oxygen is not there, so removal of non-metal. So that will be the definition of redox reaction. I hope okay. So as you can see the example over here, like 2 mg plus O2, 2 mgO. mg में add हुआ क्या? O add हुआ. Addition of O is is called oxidation. और O में क्या add हुआ है? O में add हुआ है mg. mg is a metal, so addition of metal is the reduction. एक का हुआ है ऑक्सीडेशन, दूसरे का होगा रिडक्शन. अगर रिडक्शन होगा तो ऑक्सीडेशन भी होगा, बिकॉज दे टेक्स प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली. ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली, दैट इज अ पॉइंट हियर. अब इस रिएक्शन की बात कर लेते हैं. 2s2 प्लस O2, 2s2O. H2 में क्या ऐड हुआ है? O. तो H2 का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है, यानी कि एडिशन ऑफ O क्या होता है? ऑक्सीडेशन. एंड एडिशन ऑफ H इज द reduction. So this is the definition of like oxidation and reduction. Now I'll check for what is the definition of oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay. So the definition here, oxidizing agent. What is the definition? The reactant which oxidizes other reactant by reducing itself is called oxidizing agent. What is the definition of reducing agent? The reactant which reduces other reactant by oxidizing itself is called reducing agent. I think definition is clear. Now in exam what comes here, you have to find which is the oxidizing agent and which is the reducing agent. तो जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होगा, जिस रिएक्टेंट का ऑक्सीडेशन होगा वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होगा, और जिसका रिडक्शन होगा वो होगा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ कि जिस रिएटेंट का ऑक्सीडेशन होगा दैट विल बी द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, एंड जिसका रिडक्शन होगा दैट विल बी द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो विल सी द एग्जांपल्स ओवर हियर. ओके, okay, as you can see the examples over here, like 2 mg plus O2 2 mgo. mg का हो रहा है ऑक्सीडेशन एंड O2 का हो रहा है रिडक्शन. सो कौन दूसरे को ऑक्सीडाइज कौन कर रहा है, दूसरे को ऑक्सीडाइज कौन कर रहा है, O2 mg को ऑक्सीडाइज कर रहा है. सो O2 विल बी द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट और mg O2 को रिड्यूस कर रहा है, सो mg विल बी द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल क्लियर टू यू. जिस रिएटेंट का ऑक्सीडेशन होगा वो एक्चुअली में होगा रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, और जिसका रिडक्शन होगा दैट विल बी द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. दैट विल बी द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर Al2O3 प्लस Na2O प्लस Al. सो लाइक Al2O3 से Al में जा रहा है, रिमूवल ऑफ O मीन्स रिडक्शन, एंड Na से Na2O एडिशन ऑफ O इज ऑक्सीडेशन. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग हियर, Al2O3 is oxidizing the Na by reducing itself. So oxidizing agent will be Al2O3. और कौन दूसरों को रिड्यूस कर रहा है, ये खुद तो ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है Na, बट Al2O3 को क्या कर रहा है, रिड्यूस. सो Na विल बी द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. सो आई थिंक नाउ इट इज क्लियर, जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होगा वो रिड्यूसिंग और जिसका रिडक्शन होगा दैट विल बी द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मूव हियर. ओके, as you can see this example is an example of redox reaction, but we may also write in the example of displacement reaction. So above example was the reaction of combination and it was the redox reaction also. So what is the rule says that all displacement reactions are redox reactions. All displacement reactions are the examples of redox reaction, but what I can say here, all redox reactions are not the example of displacement reaction. Reverse is not true. All displacement reaction are example of redox reaction, but all redox reaction are not the example of displacement reaction. That you should keep in mind. Okay, so we have completed these 5 parts over here. So like in the next class what we'll learn here, like exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, displacement like precipitation reaction. So these type of reaction, neutralization reactions, so these type of reactions we will learn in the next class. Thank you.